Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find and manage sound settings on Vivo Y28. To find and manage sound settings, go to the Settings app, then find Sounds and Vibration option. And now I'm gonna get you through all of these settings. The first one is for media, so it's music and videos. You can adjust it. Then you can adjust the ring volume for incoming calls ringtone, notification volume for incoming notifications, and alarm volume. And then you can click on use the volume buttons to adjust, and you can set it to media or ringtone. So you can choose whether clicking on the volume buttons on the right side of your device will change media volume or ringtone volume by default. Then you can go to volume adjustment per app, and when you enable it, then you'll be able to adjust the volumes for different apps to have different volume levels. Then you can go to vibrate for incoming calls, and you can set it to never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. Then you can go to vibrate for notifications, and you can enable or disable it. Then you can go to do not disturb, which will disable notifications, but you can set exceptions, so some contacts that you set as exceptions will be able to call you, message you. Some apps will be able to send you notifications even if you are not in do not disturb mode. And you can set whether you want to allow alarms to also play when you are in do not disturb. You can also set a schedule for that, and then go to media. Here you can adjust these media settings, as you can see. Then phone ringtone, when you click on it, you can change the ringtone sound. You can change the notification ringtone. Now it's set to encounter. I can set it to fresh, happy, or whatever. Then alarm ringtone can be changed the same way. And then you can enable or disable dial pad tones, screen locking sound, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds, screen capture tone, touch vibration, and you can also enable or disable vibrate when the other party answers on or hangs up. And the last thing is you can go to sound quality and effects and adjust audio super resolution, listening experience customization, super audio, or audio redirect. And these are all of the settings in sounds and vibration on Vivo Y28. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.